Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Exact Heat Convection Toaster Oven Broiler. This is a great product. It has stainless accents on the front and an electronic touchpad control. It has a lot of great features. It has a feature for baking pizza or regular baking, convection baking, which actually circulates air around the oven as it's baking, so you get really great succulent meats when you roast things, and also it's more efficient. It takes a lot less time to actually bake your food. It also has a broil feature. It has toast control, up for darker and down for lighter. It also has something called always even shade control, which what it does is it monitors the amount of heat in the oven, and it actually makes sure that your toast comes out exactly the same way every time, no matter how many batches of toasting you do. The other thing that it has is it has a bagel feature, a defrost function, reheat, and this is where your browning selector and your display is. It has a clock, a timer, also your hour and minutes button, and your start and stop. On the inside, it has a large roasting rack and baking tray. The rack goes in two positions down here, so if you're going to, let's say, roast a chicken, you use the lower rack. And also it has a higher rack. That's the rack that you're going to use for broiling. And when you broil, make sure you leave the oven door ajar. It has a lot of great features. Like I said, it's a Cuisinart Exact Heat oven, so it monitors the heat. It has a sensor inside, so the heat is always kept perfectly consistent and very tight so that your food comes out the same doneness every time.
air frying just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options, from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast bagel and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1800 watts of power, extra large capacity, and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results.
Introducing the Smart Oven Pro by Breville. 10 menu functions suggest the ideal cooking temperature and time. And you can watch it all with the interior oven light. Let's see it in action. Toast, roast, bake, broil, slow cook and more. The Smart Oven Pro, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.